So okay, it has this scoop sign. ठीक है. Product is this eye cream biotech Ayurvedic 100% Multani Mitti bio-organic powder. I said opposite. Opposite. So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Priyal and in today's video I'm gonna do another Nykaa haul video in which there's gonna be 10 products, in which there are few products which I have repurchased and there are few products which I wanted to try out. So I'm gonna tell you everything in detail. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Okay, so the first product is this Cetaphil Gentle Cleanser. Like I always wanted to try this cleanser. This cleanser has been like trending all over and it has very nice reviews regarding it, which I also wanted to try out. I'm gonna make a review video regarding it soon. Like I have received this today only, so yeah, I'm gonna try it for a week and tell you guys that how it worked for me. And yeah, it was like I have watched many videos before buying this, because I can't just buy any product randomly. I have to research about that because that product is going to be on my skin. So it's very important to check that. So yes, I have seen a very like reaction videos regarding it. Many of them have applied it for a week and their review and many more. So I have like researched everything and I have bought this product. So yes, I think it's gonna be a very nice product as because of the reviews, but I can't believe it until I try it. So stay tuned for this. All the prices will be mentioned below and the links also will be mentioned below in the description. And it is not a sponsored video, so you can check the link below and if you want to buy, you can buy it. Okay, so the next product is the 100% natural and cold pressed virgin coconut oil. Now, the cold pressed thing, it is a very nice product, which means by that, so yeah, like an oil should be cold pressed, like it is cold pressed, so it is very nice. Actually, I think that I have like searched a lot of time that the Garnier Miscellaneous Water is good. I'm not saying it's bad. Like I have been using that only since today. Okay, but I always wanted to, try removing my makeup with oil. Like my sister used to remove her makeup with oil and cleansing balms and stuff. So I just wanted to try. So I didn't buy any expensive product. There were many expensive products like Clinique. Cleansing balm is also very nice, but it is very costly. And if you want to like, repurchase again, you can't afford it again and again. So like I just wanted to use an oil to remove my makeup all the time, because I don't apply makeup so much nowadays, but whenever I do, I just want the makeup to come out fully from my face. I don't want any 1% also makeup remaining on my face. So yeah, I have purchased this oil. Now let's see, I'm gonna give the review. I mean, it will be good. It is extracted from coconut milk. I will leave the link in the description, you can check it out. The next thing that I've repurchased is this cotton pad. I have repurchased this for the third or fourth time because I use a lot of it, and I know many of you don't like use cotton pads. You think it's not good, but for me, I guess cotton pads are very nice. And since now I'm gonna start using oil, I don't think I will need it, but for other purposes also it's very nice to use cotton pad, like to remove your nail paint or anything. Like it's very handy, and I guess it's a very nice cotton pad. Yeah, it's a very nice one. Trust me, it's very nice. If you use cotton pads, this company cotton pads are very nice. Okay, so the next thing I repurchased again is this bio-organic Multani Mitti powder. Actually, I have one at my place, but now I am at my cousin's place, so we had no Multani Mitti powder here, and I am a great fan of this powder because it just makes your skin look very nice and it removes all the dirt and everything. Like everyone should have one packet of this Multani Mitti, like not this company only specifically. You can buy any Multani Mitti powder, okay, available. But yeah, you should definitely have one at your place all the time. Like it's a very nice pack. Like I don't use face packs and all now. I used to, but I don't now. So I just use this with some rose water. You can even mix with curd and everything. It also contains like a bookmark sort of a thing, in which everything is written that how you can use, like you can make masks with it, which is a very good thing. And I think I received it for 180 or something, which is a very nice deal, because it has so much amount in it that it is never ending for me. So yes. Okay, so the next product is this Biotic Advanced Ayurveda Bio Seaweed Revitalizing Anti-Fatigue Eye Gel. Okay. So I had searched a lot of eye creams. Like I don't have that much dark circle problem or something, but my sister has. So for her, I wanted to, search out, and for myself also, that if ever I get any dark circles, sometimes I get. So for that, I always wanted an eye cream. I never could really get any nice eye cream. So I searched a lot about it, and I have found this one. It had a very nice review. So I just wanted to give it a try. It has a very small consistency, but for an eye cream, this much is very much, like very much. You just need to apply 1 drop or 2 drops of it under your eyes. It can last for a month or two, like aram say. Okay, so it's like, it's a very nice one. Let me show you the consistency. This is how it is. You open it. It has a gel consistency. I hope you can see it. Wait, I don't want to waste it, so I'm just going to use 1 drop of it. Oh, wait. This is its consistency. It has a gel consistency, which is nice, as it soothes your eye so well. Like you will feel like you have applied like aloe vera or something. It has that sort of consistency. Okay, so the next thing is this plum green tea renewed clarity night gel. Sorry. Yeah, this is how it is. I always wanted like a nice moisturizer, and this has like a little bit bigger size than the Clinic one. I was going to buy the Clinic one, but then I realized that it is so costly. Like I was ready to buy it, but then I thought that if I like that product, I need to buy it again and again, and which is like not affordable for many of them, like even for me. So that's why I thought that I should buy something that is affordable, that I can, buy it again and again if I liked it. So I think, yeah, this one is like, this has so good reviews, like so nice reviews. And I just wanted to give it a try. And it's a night cream, which is good. Like at night only your skin, get clears and everything, that it just cleans everything. Yeah, it also has this scoop sort of a thing to remove that gel. I'm not going to remove it now because it's gonna waste, but I'm gonna show you the consistency and everything. I just opened this box because to show you how the packaging was, but I think I couldn't show you that well. Okay, I'm so sorry for that. Okay, so this is how it looks. It's a very pretty uh, what to say this, it's a very pretty cream box. Okay, and I just loved it. Okay, and it has green tea, which is a very nice ingredient. Okay, I'm opening it. Oh, it has a gel sort of consistency. I just love gel consistency products. This is how I swatch it, and yeah, a very nice consistency. It smells of green tea. It has a pleasant smell, and it's like not a artificial smell, because artificial smells are not good for your skin. It is like original green tea smell. Okay, there's nothing more, I guess. I can't smell anything else. I can just smell green tea, which is very nice. And like it's such a nice product. It's merging so well on my skin. Okay, so the next thing is very random and very cute. So this is one for my sister and one for me. We wanted to try it since a long time. It is a cute, what is the name? Kiss Kiss Lovely Lip Patch. It's from Tony Moly, which is a nice brand. And this was the cheapest one I could get, because the other one didn't have nice review. I found only 2 or 3 of them, like these sort of, which were like, this was for 135 or something. I guess one was 135 rupees, and others were like, one was for 5,000. I was like no, I just wanted to give it a try. Like, it's just for your lips. Like, I never take care of my lips. Okay, so the next product is this Nykaa tea tree oil. It's an essential oil. She uses it a lot, my sister, so I had bought it for her because it was going to get over. So yeah, I had also tried it a lot from her bottle which was remaining, and it is a very 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 nice essential oil. Like, but it is very, concentrated, so you just have to use 1 or 2 drops of it on the marks that you have, like pimples, marks, whatever. Apply it overnight. Apply an earbud, I will prefer, and apply it on the marks wherever you think you have, and just sleep, go to sleep, and the next day it will be not totally gone, but like, the pimple will be like, will be this small then. Okay, so you should definitely try it. This is the tea tree one. There are many more types of trees options in this essential oil, so you can check that out. I think she uses this one only because, yeah, she uses, because there are different remedies for different tea tree oils. So yeah, this one helps in something, and the other ones will be helping in some other problems for your skin. So according to that, you can buy it. Okay, so the last thing for this Nykaa haul is this Nykaa Natural Skin Potion Oil. This is also for her. This is also something she uses. There are many different colors, but I think that for both of us, we have choose this. So this is something for dull and dry skin facial oil, which other one was like very acne related ones, which we don't have that much, so we didn't need it that. This is something for dull and dry skin. She has a very dry skin, so yeah, we both use it sometimes. So yeah, she has been using this since a lot of time, so I think that she liked this product. So this is a very nice product, you can check it out. And yeah, I'm also gonna try it and let you know that how it worked for me. Like, for me, I had applied it 1 or 2 times, so it was a pretty nice product. So yes, so yeah, that was it for today, guys. I hope you liked the video. If you liked it, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, press the bell icon, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.